I'm Julie from Sounds Like This for Kids. Today I'm going to sing a colour song. Red, I see something red, red. I see something red, 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 red. I see something red. Can you find something red? Green, I see something green, green. I see something green, 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 green. I see something green. Find something green. Yellow, I see something yellow, yellow. I see something yellow, 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 yellow. I see something yellow. Can you find something yellow? Orange, I see something orange, orange. I see something orange, 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 orange. I see something orange. Can you find something orange? Pink, I see something pink, pink. I see something pink, 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 pink. I see something pink. Can you find something pink? Blue, I see something blue, blue. I see something blue, 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 blue. I see something blue. Find something blue. Thanks for watching. Bye.